much time just getting ready. Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real.
So the wig is 24 inches, it's curly hair, the density is 180 density. So this is it, you can see for 24 inches this is very long. You can see it's 4x4 lace wig. The hair is so full, very thick, and it's very thick. I don't see if there's shedding, just little shedding, very tiny something from inside. And this is the inside. It came with adjustable strap and some combs inside. About 3 combs, 2 by the side and 1 at the back. You can see it's 4x4. You can see the hairline is very thick. It's not pre-plucked, so I'm going to pluck it, then add my parting where I want it to be. Maybe I'm going to do kind of corner parts like this. So before I twist it, I'm going to add little hair. I'm going to add hair mousse on the hair like this. Add my parting here. It's going to be a straight part. The hair is very thick. Maybe you guys can see. You can see it's very thick. I like the quality of the hair, and it's 180 density. You can see that there is a joining here, so I cannot go beyond this place. If you like, you can twist yours as well. If you like, you can leave it this way without twisting it. Especially if you don't know how to twist it, I know it's so difficult. This is the part I created. Is it straight? Okay. Before I twist it, I'm going to add the mousse to it so that it will be more easier for me to twist it. Maybe I should do that off camera, then I'll be right back to show you guys the final result of it. So like I said, I'm going to twist little from here, the middle and the front as well. So now I have twisted it. I'm just going to spray, wet the whole hair. I'm using this coils, no drip. So I'm just going to spray that all over the hair. You can see now how the hairline looks like. Initially it wasn't looking like this. After plucking it, sometimes it's good you just pluck little from it to make it look more natural, in case if it doesn't come pre-plucked. So you just have to pluck little from it. See the back of it. You can see how long this 24 inches. It looks like 28 inches and it's 24. So let me wait so that we see. I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. You can see, in case if you see any fly in this video, please pardon me. The fly is just moving about. So I spray this air brush legs on the lace so that I can blend with my skin tone. You can see. So let me wait. So for the front, I want to take, where's my brush? Okay, I'll take my edge brush, then take little of the hair.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, that should ease the.
So guys, that is it. You can see this is very, very long. Wow, this is so long.
The weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah.
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. It's from Aligracehair. If you're interested, check that out. I'm going to see if there's any discount code. If there's any, I'm going to leave it as well on the description box. Don't hesitate to check the description box in case if you are interested. And please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit on that bell icon. And if you like this hair tutorial, support your girl by clicking on the like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Tell me, are you coming over? I need to know. Is you falling through? Tell me what the move is. Girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know. Tell me what's the hold up. Wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know.